What's going on, guys? This is my karate kick tutorial. My karate kick tutorial. You're gonna go like that. You're gonna go like this. That's how you're gonna go. When I go up like that, I put my hands like that. Demonstrate it again. That's my karate kick. I'll show you a karate stance too. Practicing that for a while. You're going to start small. I shouldn't say, guys, too intense. Don't start small. But practicing that for a while. You'll see what I mean. It's my karate kick and karate stance tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. I got it from a Mortal Kombat game. Mortal Kombat Deception, I think. Yeah, Mortal Kombat Deception. There's Annihilation and another one. I forget what it's called. But I think it's Mortal Kombat Deception. I got it from there. The fighting stance. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.